Hello everybody, it's Captain Tony from FoxyLadySportFishing.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the haywire twist tool. This is not a brand new tool. This is a tool or an improvement on an older version of a tool. What I have here in my hand is the original haywire twist tool. And now the Skurge of the Sea haywire twist tool. Right out of the bat, there's quite a bit of weight difference. They're both metal. They're both high quality products. The Skurge of the Sea does have a gnarled grip to it, which will keep it from slipping out of your fingers. The other thing that they have that's a big improvement is they have an extra groove here in the cone that you use to actually form your loop, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Now, a couple of times I've commented on Facebook and online about these tools, and I get reactions from older captains. All I can do with my fingers, I can do it with pliers, etc. And yes, with smaller, lighter weight, diameter, single strand cable or metal leader, you can do it with your hands. For me, on the business end, I use a minimum of 325 pound test. It is difficult with it being this thick to actually make the haywire twist perfect. You can do it, but it's difficult. The most important part of the haywire twist is that one side wraps over the other side at the correct angle. And I'll show you in a moment what I mean by that. So both tools pretty much work the same, except this one has a hole in it, and you can use that hole to start a nice rounded bend. Okay, so here we go. This is how simple it is to make a perfect haywire twist. In the cone, at the tip of the cone, you'll see a little hole. You insert the leader material, putting about 5 to 6 inches out the back end of it, and you make yourself a nice little bend, and that's where the hook's going to set. You take your hook, slide it onto your leader, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's 2 holes in the back, there's 2 holes in the cone. You slide the long end. There's a notch that you should know about too in this tool. You close the notch, slide the longer end in the first hole, and the tag end into the second hole. Holding the hook in your hand, you twist until the leader snaps in. Now, you slowly work the tool using the hook as a base, and you can see that each wire is twisting over itself, and it's not one wire being twisted over a single strand. So that's the most important part about the haywire twist. You pull out the tag end, bend it 90 degrees, slide it into the notch, again using the hook to hold the leader. You make your barrel wraps. Real easy, real simple, real neat. You open the notch in the tool, and the leader pops right out. Now, the next biggest mistake a lot of people do is they'll take a pair of snips and they'll snip this, and especially on the swivel end, you'll leave yourself with a sharp edge that you're grabbing. I don't think this end, you shouldn't have your hand this close to a shark's mouth, but regardless, the easiest thing to do is take a pair of pliers and just snap it off like that. And now there's no sharp edges to catch your skin, cut your finger, or anything. So there you have it. In about 15 seconds, a perfect looking, perfect working haywire twist, ready to go shark fishing.